the California gold.
Alright guys, for today's video, let me take you for shopping. Okay, this time mag-shopping naman tayo while at the same time kikita tayo. Okay, shopping while earning. Okay, shopping na nasa bahay lang tayo. Okay, kung hindi ka pa familiar, now ipapamiliarize kita kung paano to. Okay, so please meet guys, Hacks.biz. Kung anong meron dito, yan yung pag-uusapan natin for today's video. Okay, so dito guys, makikita ninyo, nandito ang ating Shopee. Of course, Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, AliExpress, Wish, okay, Lazada, of course, nandito din, and si Zalora. Okay, now guys, paano ba tayo kikita dito? Okay, ito yung kanilang mga partner ha. Okay, Shopee, Orami, Lazada, Bukalapak, eBay, Shein. Okay, so yan yung pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano yung kikitain natin dito at paano tayo kikita. But before that guys, syempre kailangan nyo muna mag-create na account to start investing, to start earning sa platform na ito. Okay, so let's go guys. Gagawa muna tayo ng inyong account. Right? Alright guys, so napakasimple lang at napakabilis lang mag-create ng account dito. Okay, so dito guys, invitation code. Once you use my link, hindi na po kayo hahanapan pa ng invitation code. Okay, simply just type in, gawa lang kayo ng username. And syempre, of course, password and confirm password. And dito guys, withdrawal password. Make sure guys na hindi magkaparehas yung withdrawal password at saka yung login password. Magkaiba. Okay, so ang ginamit ko dito sa aking withdrawal password, digits lang. Okay? And then dito, combination ng pangalan tsaka no. Basta, bahala na kayo. Basta wag lang magkapares. And then, click nyo lang to guys, submit. Okay? So, yun na. Okay? Now, in my case, I already have my account. So, magla-login na ako. Okay? At dito guys, mapapansin niyo naka-automatic na siya. Why? Just to avoid any trouble. But guys, if ever maka-encounter kayo ng problema, okay? You can contact customer support para maayos yung inyong mga problema. Okay, so magla-login muna ako guys. Alright, by the way guys, you can download the application sa inyong Google Store, Play Store. Okay, para mas makita nyo ng buo. Ako kasi I prefer to use PC para mas wide yung makikita ninyo at makikita nyo na maayos. Okay, so dito guys, ito yung kanilang pinamimigay. Alright, okay. So dito guys, pagka-login mo pa lang, meron ka na agad na makukuha na 3 USDT. Okay? So magagamit mo 'yan, mawi-withdraw mo 'yan after na tapos mo na yung task mo dito once nag-invest ka. Okay? So as you can see guys, meron akong balance dito na 23. Yan yung gagamitin ko mamaya. Okay? I already top up. Okay? So papakita ko sa inyo mamaya how to top up and how to withdraw. Okay? So dito guys, pag-uusapan muna natin kung magkano yung kitaan at paano gumagana itong platform na ito. Okay, so dito, ayan, for personal exclusive group top VIP stock, okay, meron sa 30, 100, 300, 500, and 1,000. So commission reward, you can earn also. By the way guys, there are two ways of earning sa mga ganitong klaseng platform. Halos pare-pares yan. Laging merong dalawang ways. Okay, one by investing and to by inviting. And the good thing of this platform kasi so easy lang gumawa ng task, so easy to earn sa ganitong platform. Ang hindi lang natin alam talaga hanggang kailan sila magtatagal. Kaya huwag patatagalin yung mga ini-invest niyo. Okay? Kikita kayo sa mga platform na to. Basta huwag lang patagalin para hindi kayo maano. Okay? And then, ito nga, tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, once you register, okay, bawat membro na masasali dito ay meron sa pamimigay na giveaways. Okay? That is a 3 dollars or 3 USDT. Invite a friend and get 8 US dollars. So, yun yung kagandahan dito guys. Kikita ka even kahit hindi ka nakapag-invest once na-activate yung inyong account. By inviting, once they tap up, you will earn massive commission. Okay? So, dito, okay, recharge rewards, meron din sang meron ka ring matatanggap na rewards once yung in-invite mo ay nag-tap up or ikaw nag-tap up. Okay, so recharge mo na 100 USDT, you will get 8 USDT. Okay, sa 500 USDT, you will get 28 USDT. And 100 USDT, 1,000 USDT, you will get 68 USDT. And sa 5,000 USDT, you will get 288 USDT. And sa 10,000 USDT, you will get 688 USDT. Sa 50,000 USDT, you will get 1,888 USDT. So, napakalaki ng binabalik nila guys na reward. Okay?
And dito naman guys, invite. Okay, so like I said, there are two ways of earning. Sa invite naman, meron siyang level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, and then dito guys, invite 1, valid direct member deposit sa 100, you will get 8%. Okay, 8 USDT. Okay, complete the task. Okay, once na nag-complete sa task. And invite 3, valid direct members deposit 100, you will get 28. Once they complete the task and they deposit. And 5 valid direct members, okay, deposit 100 USDT, makakuha ka ng reward sa 48 USDT. And invite 8, valid direct members deposit 100 USDT, you will get another 98 USDT. And that is a huge commission. Okay, na makukuha mo dito.
So now guys, dito, tingnan natin yung kung gusto nyo silipin yung if ever na may mga records na kayo, okay, dito yung withdrawal records, team report, dito guys, mapupunta yung inviting. Okay, so click nyo lang yan. Okay, so dito, for example, kung mayroon na kayong mga invite, dito lahat yan mapupunta. And the good thing here is you can withdraw your commission right away. Okay, and now guys, punta naman tayo how to invite. Okay, so click nyo lang to guys. Ayan, and then ito yung inyong link, so copy nyo lang yan. And then once you copy it, you can post it now to your social media platform kung anong meron kayo, like Facebook page, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Telegram, okay, WhatsApp, okay, at kung ano pa. Okay, and then also you can invite your relatives, your family, okay, si grandma, si grandpa, si brothers and sister, invite mo sila, si yaya, si inday, si dudong, okay. And once they tap up, okay, at ginamit yung link mo, syempre kikita ka dito ng high commission. Okay? Okay, now guys, this time, punta naman tayo kung magkano yung kikitain ninyo. For example, guys, dito, okay, meron tayong makukuha ditong commission sa kay Shopee, okay, VIP 1, VIP 2, meron tayo dito, okay. VIP 1 kay Shopee, 0.30% yung commission makukuha mo dito. And napaka-easy lang guys, kasi gagawin mo lang dito guys, yung daily task mo, kukumpleto mo lang siya. And then dito, kikita ka na, once na na-complete mo yan, yung 30, mamaya makikita nyo kung magkano nga mabubuo natin. And commission dito naman, sa 0.32 naman sa VIP 2, okay, 55 orders. Okay, so, mamaya makikita nyo kung paano itong mga orders na to. And then kay Flipkart, ang kikitain mo dito is 0.34. Okay, up to 60 orders. Ang commission mo naman dito, kaya eBay, up to 0.36, 65 orders. And kay AliExpress, ang commission mo dito is 0.38 up to 70 orders. Commission mo naman dito kaya Wish, okay, VIP 6, 75 orders, VIP 6 sa 10,000, okay, USDT dito sa 500, okay? And 30,000 naman dito kay Lazada, okay, ang daily commission mo is 0.42, okay? Bawat orders. Okay, so meron tayong 80 orders dito. Ita times mo yan. 0.42 times 80 orders. And then commission 0.8 naman dito kay Zalora. Okay, 85 orders times mo yan sa 0.48. Mamaya makikita niyo guys kung paano to mag-work out. Okay? So now guys, by the way, they have a company profile. Open nyo lang yan. Work description, company qualification, and you can also be their agent. Alright? So now guys, punta na tayo kung paano to gagamitin. Okay? So by the way guys, how to top up muna tayo, how to recharge. Okay? Para makompleto ninyo. So dito guys, recharge, click nyo lang yan, recharge. And then TRC20 guys, and copy nyo lang yan. Okay? Kung click, pwede nyo i-click dyan, 20, USDT 100, okay, 300, 500. It depends guys kung magkano yung itatry ninyo. But ako guys, itatry ko lang yung 20 USDT, sample lang. And kayo, bahala na kayo dyan kung magkano. And then, click nyo lang to guys. For example, 20 and then payment voucher. Okay, click nyo lang yan. Okay, and then submit nyo lang siya. Okay, please upload payment voucher. Yan, dito nyo lalagay. Okay, so, ganun lang ka-simple. And then, you can also this copy. Ayan, copy nyo lang yan. And punta kayo sa inyong mga wallet. And then, dito sa ating wallet guys, choose nyo lang tong withdraw. And then guys, paste nyo dito. Right network, of course, TRC20. And, for example, magde-deposit tayo ng 100. Ayan, gawin na natin 101 para sakto. Okay? Dahil merong charge sa Binance, and then click nyo lang to guys, withdraw. And next na lang kayo. Okay? So, balik tayo dito guys. Now, tuturo ko na sa inyo kung paano ang platform na to gagana. Okay, so for example guys, meron na ako ditong 23. Okay, so kasama ng bonus natin na 3. Okay, so dito guys, i-activate lang natin to. Ipo-purchase na natin siya. Balik tayo sa home. Okay, so ipo-purchase na natin tong VIP 1 guys, si Shopee. Okay, so dahil 20, pasok yung pera natin dito. So click lang natin yan. And minimum balance is 20. Okay, 50 and done. Okay, so grab na natin yan guys. Pwede na natin yan. Okay, try natin. Alright, matching products guys. Ito na siya. Okay, so sure lang natin to guys. Ito yung ating balance. Okay, USDT, commission natin dito. So sure lang yan guys. Okay, submitted successfully. So meron tayo isa. 49 na siya guys. Nabawasan ng isa. Okay, so click pa natin yan. Okay, sure lang natin guys. Ganyan lang guys, ka-easy mag-shopping dito. So 48 na, up to 50 yung gagawin natin. So makikita nyo dito guys, yung funding natin mamaya tataas ng tataas. So tingnan natin guys ha. Pupost ko lang muna para hindi haba masyado yung video. Okay, by the way guys, bawat price ng mga items na to may mga katumbas na presyo ha. Kaya iba-iba. Okay, so USD to 14 na. Okay, times 1. Okay, commission mo dito is 0.048. So, magkaiba to ng presyo guys ha. Okay guys, matapos na tayo. Dalawa na lang. Okay, so grab pa natin. Okay guys, paalala ha. Huwag pa silaw sa laki ng balik. If ever na makita niyo na maranasan nyo na kumikita pala ng malaki. Tapos, nainganyo kayo, babalik kayo, mag-invest kayo ng malaki. Huwag po ganun ha. Paalala lang. Okay, so dito guys, 2.5. Like I said, depende to sa items na makukuha natin. Kaya mas maganda yung items, mas malaki yung presyo. Okay? So dito guys, kung sa itong automatic to, mag-i-stop. Okay? So last one na to guys. Okay? Click na natin. Okay, submitted na. So, undone 0. Try natin i-grab. Alright, so task completed na siya. So it means hindi na tayo pwede pa gawa ng task. And continue na natin to kinabukasan ulit. So, tingnan natin guys kung magkano yung na-earn natin. Okay, so refresh lang natin. Okay, so yung 23 natin kanina, okay, tumubo na siya. So, naging 25.4 na. Okay, so let's just wait another kinabukasan naman, okay, para i-continue yung task. So, tutubo pa ng tutubo yung inyong pera. Okay, so ganun lang guys. Now, if ever na gusto niyo i-withdraw yung inyong kinita, okay, pwede niyo nang i-withdraw. So, this time, how to withdraw naman tayo. Okay, so click nyo lang to guys, withdraw. Ayan. And please add withdrawal information. So, confirm nyo lang yan. And then, add nyo lang dito. And then, ERC20 guys, USDT. Okay, and then USDT wallet address. Okay, so dyan nyo ilalagay. For example, punta kayo dito sa inyong wallet. Okay, kanina guys, ang ginawa natin, okay, ang ginawa natin, nag-withdraw tayo. So this time, okay, deposit naman tayo. So click lang natin yan guys, deposit. Network. ERC20. Copy lang natin. And then balik tayo dito guys. So paste na natin dito yung wallet address. There you go. And then yung password na ginawa natin. And click nyo lang to submit guys. Okay, so ganun lang guys, ka-easy, ganun lang ka-simple. Okay, so again, if ever you have a question, just comment down below para masagot natin yung mga katanungan, mag-guide ko kayo. Okay, and if ever na meron pa kayong ibang katanungan, click nyo na tong service and pwede nyo na sila makontakt sa kanilang customer support, fax, telegrams, and WhatsApp. Okay, so yun lang guys. Again, paalala muli, bago tayo magtapos, about investment, mapa-online man o hindi, ay may kalakip yan na disgrasya, kaya dapat ugaliin, do your own research and take your own risk. Salamat!